In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to ChatGPT on iPhone. If you've ever wanted ChatGPT to analyze a document, summarize a report, or pull key points from a file right on your iPhone, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from opening the app to getting a helpful response, and I'll share simple tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection. A strong Wi-Fi or reliable cellular signal helps files upload faster and reduces the chance of interruptions. Next, start a new chat or open an existing one. A new chat is great if you want a fresh conversation focused on this file. An existing chat can be handy if you want the file to be considered alongside your earlier messages in context. Now look for the plus or attachment icon near the text box. It usually sits right next to where you type your message. Tap it, and from the menu that appears, choose Files. This tells the app you're about to attach something from your device storage or cloud. After that, select the file you want to share. You can browse your iPhone's Files app, choose iCloud Drive, or pick a file saved locally on my iPhone. Navigate to the folder where your document lives, then tap the file to attach it. Common formats like PDFs, images, and text documents typically work well. If you don't see your file immediately, try the Browse tab or Recent section in Files to locate it quickly. Once selected, wait for the file to finish uploading. You'll usually see a progress indicator or a small preview. Keep the app open during this step, and avoid locking your screen or switching away until the upload completes. Larger files may take a bit longer, so patience here pays off. When the upload is done, type exactly what you want ChatGPT to do with the file. Be specific. For example, you might say, summarize this document in 5 bullet points. Extract action items and deadlines, or answer questions based on this file. Clear instructions help you get a precise response the first time. Then tap Send. Your message goes out along with the attached file. ChatGPT will read the file and respond. This may take a moment, especially for longer or more complex documents. If the first answer isn't quite what you need, follow up by clarifying your request or asking for a different format, like an outline or a step-by-step list. And that's it. You've uploaded a file to ChatGPT on your iPhone and guided the model to do something useful with it.